YouTube world, it's product unboxing time. Today we have a smartwatch from Anyloop. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Got here pretty fast and efficient with Amazon, by the way. As always, we're going to be using a Finch product to open this puppy. Today it's going to be the Runley XL. Look at that thing. Yeah, check out this cleaver of a knife. Link down in the description. Okay. Smartwatch unboxing. We opened the smartwatch. Look at this. So that smartwatch is looking pretty nice. I don't know. There we go. That face is looking cool. Then we got the khaki band, khaki strap on there. User manual. And it looks like our magnetic charger on one end, USB on the other. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and run you through a little bit on this watch here. So first off, you have the ability to change your watch faces right here by rotating this dial. And that's also going to kind of turn it on, turn it off type of deal. So you can turn that off, turn it on. So you have a total number of 8 different watch faces you can store on the watch itself. Let me show you. So just rotate through. Isn't that awesome? And then once you find the one that you like, you can just stay on it. Next up, we have this orange button on the side. If we go and push that, it's going to bring us to our sports mode or exercise mode, where we can choose that we want to do walking, running, cycling, a variety of different things. And then that will go ahead and track our activity, show us our calories that we're burning and heart rate as well. See, it was actively scanning on the back for the heart rate there. A whole range of apps that are on the phone here. Look at this. So when some of them are smaller and you can't really make them out, it's easy because you just kind of slide on the corners of the screen and you can access those little tiny apps to get normal size. So when you go ahead and check weather, we don't have that set up, but we have plenty of different options. You can find your phone. You can do your heart rate, your stopwatch. You can have a flashlight on there, look at that. And you can go through and check your messages as well. Plenty. You even have a function for the shutter on your phone. This watch has got just about everything covered there. So you can set this timer if you want to relax, if you're stressed, or if you want to fall asleep. So if we're stressed, let's take a minute here. Go ahead and start that. Kind of does a little vibrate there on the watch at these prompts of inhale and exhale. Pretty cool. So that will go for a minute and help you to reduce your stress. Now, of course, the smartwatch can also take phone calls. Let's go ahead and show you that. It's got a nice little speaker on here. Let's do some phone calls and then we'll show off the speaker a little bit more. A little music. Okay, people. So we're going to test out how this phone does on a phone call. I'm expecting a phone call to be coming in any minute now. And here it comes. Hello?
Hi.
Well, hello, wife.
Hi, husband. How are you today?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, like loud and clear.
Yeah. This is a watch phone. What do you think?
You know, surprisingly, I can hear you pretty well.
Okay, let's go ahead and do a little test of the speaker here on the watch. I'm going to go ahead and play some royalty-free music, and I have it turned all the way up on the watch. Here we go. Not too bad, eh? I think it actually sounds pretty amazing. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.